Hello everyone, I am Dr. Satish Pangal. In this lecture, we will learn some basics of GIS. GIS stands for Geographic Information System. It is a combination of geographic feature and information technology. GIS is a computer-based system used to collect, store, manage, analyze, visualize, and display geographically referenced informations. Now, the components. GIS has major 5 components. Hardware. Hardware includes all physical devices used to operate GIS. For example, desktop, laptop, GPS receiver, scanner, plotter, printer, drone, satellite, etc. The second major component is software. A GIS software enables users to create, edit, analyze, manage, and visualize maps and other features. Popular GIS softwares includes ArcGIS Pro, ArcMap, QGIS, GrassGIS, and MapInfo. In this course, we will primarily focus on ArcGIS map software. The third component of GIS is data. Data is the most valuable component of GIS. Two main types of data are spatial data, for example, roads, rivers, building, forest, and attribute data. For example, population, crop production, rainfall, soil type, etc. However, there are 5 types of data. We will discuss in next video about the complete data structure used in GIS. The fourth major component is people. We people are responsible for operating and interpreting the GIS. And the last one is methods. Methods refer to the standardized procedures for data collection, analysis, and decision making with the help of geographic information system. There are some importance of GIS. A better decision making approach. With the help of GIS, we can improve our decision. GIS helps in time saving. GIS improve our accuracy rate, and it also reduce the cost, provide a better visualization and environmental monitoring. Now, some of the applications of GIS. Nowadays, GIS is used in almost every field. Some most common applications of GIS fields are agriculture, urban planning, transportation, environment, health, business, defense, and water resources, education and research. Difference between GIS and CAD. Why it is important? Because sometimes we generally confuse between the GIS and CAD software. GIS is a geographic information system, while a CAD is a computer aided design. The purpose of GIS is spatial analysis and decision making. On the other hand, the purpose of CAD is engineering and technical drawing. GIS data with attributes are the main types of data, while geometric designs are the data type for CAD. Real world geographic coordinates are the component, or we can say coordinates, of GIS. On the other hand, local project coordinates generally used in CAD. Database of GIS is very wide, however, CAD database is limited. The spatial analysis using GIS can be extensive, whereas in case of CAD, the spatial analysis is minimal. We can perform mapping with the help of GIS, however, CAD cannot provide mapping. Some examples: land use, population, roads, we generally study in GIS. On the other hand, the building plans, machine parts, etc. are the best suitable example for CAD. I want to discuss one more difference between GIS and Google Maps. Data editing in GIS is unlimited. On the other hand, Google Maps provided limited data editing. In the same case, spatial analysis and creating maps are limited in Google Maps. There is a data management for GIS, however, Google Maps have no data management. In the same way, custom analysis is present in GIS, while Google Maps have no custom analysis. GIS provide professional mapping. On the other hand, Google Maps provide a limited professional mapping. The route navigation in GIS is limited. On the other hand, Google Maps provide excellent route navigation. The public use of GIS may be defined as professional and research. On the other hand, the Google Map public use is generally for common peoples. Thank you. Have a nice day.